Oh shit, that fucking... What is up guys, SuperRacoonBros here. Today I'm back for another reaction video and I'm here to check out the new SMG4 video. And it's another Mario Does Things and it's called Mario Installs Historic Internet Viruses. But why? Why would you install historic internet viruses? Why? They're already dead with a goddamn god that's like a virus. But now Mario's gonna install some in the computer. Damn. Before I get started, right now, my throat is clearing up a little bit, but I'm gonna undergo some coughs during the video. And I'll get in touch with the video while I'm coughing. And if some of you have not seen the new SMG4 video, well, the original video link is in the description below for you to check it out. Alright, are you ready? Let's, go! SMG4. Don't you already have a bigger mustache? Oh shit, virus.
Uh-oh.
Wait, I've got an idea.
You do? What if Mario what? Installs more viruses. That's your big brain idea.
Mario's computer?
Oh no.
Hello, Internet Blue is going to destroy your PC. Do you want to continue?
Whoa! That's interesting, but I sure don't care.
Do it.
Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening.
Holy fuck!
God damn.
It destroyed it. Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
Memes destructive?
Hey, a
What?
letter! Your computer has been by the memes Trojan. Your computer won't boot up again. Oh, that's not a letter, that's a threat.
Oh my god! After 2 more viruses. It's destroyed? Aww. Oh, there's still memes on the computer. Everything's on fire. Protecting them?
Oh no! I've dealt with this 3 times this week
Holy
already.
shit! The virus is just
Oh wow,
funky for some
I've
reason.
never been to one of these clubs before.
The hell? Goose desktop.
So cute. Wait, where are you going?
You got his stinky.
Dude, it just took the mouse!
No!
It took the mouse.
Drop it. Ow, bitch!
Where the hell are you going? Well, he's gone.
Screw you! I am gonna go play Minecraft.
Oh, that's fucked up. It moves on its own when the mouse is near. God damn it. He's gonna use both of my mouses?
Gotcha, bitch!
They escaped! You're trash. You... That hurt its feelings.
Well, that was easy.
Shit, it's everywhere! Oh my god, it's spreading, it's endless! Destroy it! Wait, he's going inside. Where's the source? Mario Army.
Kill yourself now and give somebody else a piece of that oxygen and ozone layer that's covered up so that we can breathe inside this little trap bubble. Because what are you here for?
That's it? Okay. Oh my god, he's lower than the frames. Oh my god.
Whoa!
That's blood? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, he stopped working. Or he crashed. Yeah, he crashed.
Joke's on you!
Luckily, I came prepared.
Damn, you're hot!
Oh shit, that fucking.
Coronavirus!
La la la.
What the hell, bro? What the hell is that?
I
Oh
don't
no.
think we've been properly introduced. I'm Fonzie.
Hello.
You can fuck off, Bonzi. You came out of my computer.
I just need your credit card number, expiry date, the 3 digits on the back, your home address.
No.
I don't know.
Spaghetti! Oh my god. It's bad! Oh, it's a Bonzi spaghetti? Hell no, I'm out. Hello, I'm out.
What the heck was that?
Mamma mia.
Oh no.
She can't be that bad.
It destroyed everything.
Has successfully killed the Wither and now has the resources necessary to activate a beacon.
What the fuck? Okay.
Oh, narrative.
Okay.
Given there are capable viruses that will do so much destruction in your life.
Virus has
Wow.
been detected. Do you
That's probably nothing.
access to language? Virus cannot be
Oh, not good.
Not again.
to fix this?
Shit.
Much better.
You got mail.
Kindly check the attached love letter coming from me.
Found someone.
You got mail.
Oh fuck.
Oh, an email from Mario. I wonder what it...
What is
You
it?
got mail.
Burn everything! Oh no.
Sorry, honey, but I'm taken.
You got mail.
Literally everyone.
I
Holy
think
shit.
I'm in love.
Sending to every contact. Oh,
I love
hell.
you too, man.
Oh, I don't like that.
Whoa!
At once.
Just you have
Oh.
hate to
Okay. At once. That was it. Holy fuck. Can you take it? Oh. It's finally dead. It's finally
Okay,
dead.
that was epic.
So what now?
Then he got an idea. An awful idea. A wonderful, awful idea.
What is the idea? He's making more!
3 weeks later.
It's a masterpiece.
Mario taught. He made a virus, bro? Holy shit! That's it?
You'll have to try harder than that, Mario.
You just got nice stinky.
Mario.
Uh-oh.
Fine, I'll give you spaghetti. Just give me another virus. I've got years of work on this computer.
Oh no! Your work is gone! His work is gone! Oh shit, no, dude.
Can I have some spaghetti? No.
Kill him. Oh my god. So SMG4, the project you work on for the past few years in your life has been away. That's it. But I guess he'll get it back because he might have a backup in his drives or something. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So that was SMG4's new Mario Does Things. Yeah. And yeah, we just seen enough viruses that just happened, and Mario just created one. Is that really possible? I'm pretty sure that's possible. Like, I don't know. I don't know much. But anyway, yeah, I really enjoyed the new Mario Does Things. There's so many capable viruses, and also some of them can just spread to your friends' computers as well. Yeah, that's basically it. All we know is that Mario just does some stupid ideas, and we just want to do it because it's for views. So yeah. that's something you could do. And also, I haven't coughed that much because I just used a cough drop to just lower down the coughing, so pretty cool. Alright everyone, that's all I have to say in this reaction video. If you want me to check out more SMG4, well, make sure you give this video a like and a comment for the support. Subscribe with all post notifications on so you don't miss any new videos coming up in my channel. Thanks for watching. Come back next time. See you later.